Section 6.3 is solving multi-step inequalities. So just like multi-step equations or inequalities require both multiplication or division and addition or subtraction. So remember, what we're talking about with the equations is something like this. We're going to subtract 1 and then divide by 3. The same thing when we add an inequality to it. Okay, so we're going to undo each operation using the inverse operation to isolate the variable. So if I want to undo addition, I subtract. If I want to undo multiplication, I divide. And remember, you still have to reverse the inequality symbol if you need to multiply or divide by a negative number. So anytime we're dealing with an inequality and we have to work with a negative, we've got to think about that inequality symbol. So here we go. We want to isolate the b, so I'm going to subtract 19. Negative 7b is less than a negative, and a negative is negative 35. Divide by a negative number, so think about your inequality symbol. B is greater than 5. And again, we can graph this. Greater than but not equal to means open circle, and greater than is to the right. And if you want to double check, just pick a number to the right of 5. Let's say 6. So negative 7 times 6 plus 19 is less than negative 16. That's negative 42 plus 19 is less than negative 16. And negative 42 plus 19 is negative 23, which is less than negative 16. So it does check. Okay, sometimes you'll be asked to write the inequality before you solve it. So let's break this down. 3 times a number minus 18 is at least. That means that it is equal to or greater than 5 times the number plus 21. All right, so now you see we've got a variable on both sides. We're going to handle it just like we do our equations. So subtract 3x from both sides. Negative 18 is greater than or equal to 2x plus 21. Subtract your 21. So we've got negative 39 is greater than or equal to 2x, and divide by 2. So x is less than or equal to negative 18. Okay? Whoops, not 18. Hold on. Divide by 2, 1. Oh, it's going to be, yeah, that can't simplify. I'm sorry. Negative 39 halves. Okay. All right, here's another one. Got a little bit more work to do, but again, we're just going to plow through it just like we do our equalities. We just got to watch that symbol in the middle. So distribute. Minus 16d plus 18 is greater than 3. Don't forget there's an understood 1 here, so I'm distributing negative 1. Negative 2d minus 7. Combining my like terms, negative 13d plus 18, and 3 minus 7 is negative 4. I haven't done anything with side to side yet. All I've done is simplify each side individually. Now I'm going to start rearranging. So I'm going to add my 2d, subtract my 18. So I get 8, 9, 11, 12, negative 32. I feel like I'm ending up with all bad numbers. Did I do something wrong here? I don't know if this was supposed to work out evenly or not. 3 minus 2d minus 7, that's good. 3d, If I add 2d to both sides, that should be negative 14d. I hope you guys caught that. Add 2d, add 2d. That's better. Oh, I hadn't... let me see. I got some mistakes here. Let's back it up. Okay. Try it one more time. All right, minus 7. So first I was just combining terms. So that was okay. Negative 13d plus 18. Maybe I am okay. Negative 2d minus 4. Sorry about that. Add 2d, negative 11d. Subtract 18. Oh, there's where I went wrong. Negative 22. That's better. D is greater than, whoops, almost did it myself. Dividing by negative 11, I have to flip my inequality symbol, and now I'm good. All right, that's better. I hope you caught that mistake the first time through, because I certainly did not. All right, one more. Again, distribution here. Let's see if I can do a better job. 8t plus 16 minus 3t plus 12 is less than 5t minus 35 plus 8. Still working with each side individually. 5t plus 28 is less than 5t negative 35 plus 8 is negative 27. All right, so I'm going to subtract 5t from both sides, and all of a sudden my t's have gone away, and I have 28 is less than negative 27. That's impossible. So this is no solution. Okay, so we've done several examples. We'll talk about it a little more in class, but I believe that's it.